Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for accessing this video. And this video is all about how do I choose a career using Vedic astrology. A career astrology is one of the most important, prominent systems of Vedic astrology because career is something considered as karma sthan. The karma sthan is basically 10th house in Vedic birth chart talks about your career. Okay, so who is the lord of 10th house? Which are the planets aspecting 10th house, and which lagna you belongs to, and for lagna lord what is the 10th lord is all about, what kind of relationship that 10th lord is having. And also we got to check the D9 chart as well, and also D10 chart has to be analyzed. In the D10 chart, 10th house, 10th house lord, the planets aspecting to 10th house talks about career in Vedic astrology. Okay, so if at all sun is placed in the 10th house, sun is aspecting your 10th house, or sun is located in the 10th house, then the politics, government job, father's profession, and any business related to fatherly business also will be suitable for these people. Any role related to leadership roles, like most of the leaders in the organization will have strong sun in their horoscope, otherwise they cannot get into a leader state. And also Venus and Jupiter also matters for getting into the leadership roles. Okay, and if it is business management, again it talks about Mercury. Anyway, Mercury I'll be telling it to you shortly. So let's say if moon is placed in the 10th house and moon is aspecting your 10th house, and moon happened to be lord of 10th house, then the transport business, liquids, drinks, food items, hotels and restaurants, milk products, reporters, news readers, and any job related to transferable job, so that jobs will be favorable for these people. Okay, let's say if at all Mars is placed in the 10th house, Mars is aspecting your 10th house, Mars has been the lord of your 10th house. Okay, then the technical, machinery, engineering, police, defense, fire related, technology, computers, energy, iron, metal, gems, minerals, surgeon, and dentist. So these are all the professions suitable for the person who have Mars in the 10th house. Mars is aspecting 10th house. Mars happen to be lord of your 10th house. If at all Mercury is happen to be your 10th house lord, or Mercury is aspecting your 10th house, or Mercury is placed in 10th house, then business management, real estate, teaching, astrology, intellectual job, accounts, business management, consulting, mathematics, communication, writing, storytelling, and poetry. All these professions will be suitable for the person Saturn plus Mars conjunction. Okay, if Saturn is in the, and most importantly, we'll see the relationship with this planet with Saturn as well. Why? Because Saturn is the Karaka for career. If at all in the 159 series, if at all you have Saturn in the first place or fifth place or ninth place, and this planet is situated either of 1 or 5, that is also considered as for career professions as per through Bhrigunadi. That is what I was talking about. Okay, and let's say if at all Jupiter is aspecting your 10th house, Jupiter happened to be lord of 10th house, and Jupiter is placed in 10th house, then the education industry will be well suitable for you, and also very respectable position. It's not like just a professor or a teacher or something. We'll be getting into the roles of principals of the colleges, principals of schools, and most importantly, you'll be running the educational institutions. So any comfortable and respectable job, teacher in their profession, education, guide, and judge. So these roles will be suitable for you. If at all you have Saturn plus Venus conjunction, let's say Saturn in the first place, Venus in the fifth or ninth, and also Venus happen to be your 10th house lord, a 10th house planet, or Venus is aspecting your 10th house, then the banking industry, finance, money lending, business, luxury related professions, shades, gold, arts, music, builders, construction of apartments, cosmetic industry, all these industries will be suitable for you. And let's say Rahu is placed in the 10th house, or Rahu is aspecting your 10th house, then the secret agents, unethical jobs, shade related professions, computer, software, graphics, photography, TV, cinema, cable, printing, and publishing, and also transport industry. These industries will be suitable for if all Rahu is aspecting your 10th house, or Rahu is placed in the 10th house. And let's say Ketu is placed in the 10th house. Then the service to humanity, which may include spiritual, occult sciences, religion, healing, medical, pharma, chemicals, law, and medical profession. All these professions related to spirituality will be suitable for this person. So, and most importantly, not just the 10th house, we'll be seeing the first house, fifth house, and ninth house also. Why? Because fifth house talks about Purva Punyasthan, and ninth house talks about good fortune, and first house talks about your own self. So, as per Bhukunandi Nadi, we'll be seeing the transits as well. Which transit you are undergoing, which Mahadasha you are undergoing, which Andradasha you are undergoing. All these things matters while determining the career. Most importantly, D10 chart has to be analyzed to determine the career. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if at all you need my consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Please do send me an order so that I can able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. And if at all you're watching this video for the first time, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon next to subscribe button so that you will be notified on the future videos. Alright, so have a nice day and bye for now.